Okay, welcome back to the next video. I'm going to do a tutorial video on the Beko washing machine. I'm sorry I can't put my face in this video because there's not much room in this utility room, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. So yeah, this is a tutorial on how to work Beko. So obviously you've got your drawer there, so easy to pull out. You've got a good variety of cycles as well, so and a lot of functions. So obviously I'll just turn it to off, and yeah, the programs you get are cottons, your bog standard cottons, which is quite a long wash, but on this washer, if you wanted a fast cottons, you just press fast plus. But I don't think it allows you to have extra rinse either on fast. But it does allow you to have a pre-wash as well, but you can't have a quick pre-wash. But it does work up to 90 degrees to a 1400 spin. So quite a lot of features going on that cycle. So yeah, if I turn it to Eco 60 to 40, 40 to 60, that means it doesn't heat up. That means it heats up a bit slower. So there's 40 to 60 degrees. So fast spin is 1400 down to no spin. You can't have a pre-wash on Eco. Fast plus isn't an option. Extra rinse, so it's a bit of a basic cycle that. So next one is synthetics. 2 hours and 4 minutes. Obviously that's not a bad time, but just 60 degree it was. I think the maximum's 1200. You've got a fast plus option which goes on to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Extra rinse, 2 hours and 40 minutes, but like on the cottons you can't have it on at the same time. But you do get a pre-wash, which is very unusual for a Beko, well, synthetic cycle on any washer machine. So let me see this one. Quick, 28 minutes. Yeah, quick's a good wash, to be honest with you. I enjoy quick, but when you set it to 40 degree, it's not really 40, that I tend to wash everything when it's on a full load at 60 degree. But it does go up to 90 degree, which is very rare for a quick wash on any washing machines you get, and the fast spin goes up to 1400. It's a bit annoying you can't have a pre-wash on fast wash, but when you do press fast plus, it's an hour and 18 minutes. An hour 18 minutes, 60 degree, fast plus, 48 minutes. And I don't know, it does that, you know. So extra rinse is selected. You can't have fast plus selected, so extra rinse at the same time. So on to mixed fabrics, I think that is. So yeah, like again, it's 40 degree. I don't think it goes over 800. No. Pre-wash is available on mixed fabrics. Oh bugger, falling over. Fast plus is available. Extra rinse isn't available. So it's a shame that you can't have different options at the same time. What am I doing here? Where's my place? So mixed fabrics, so yeah. Hand wash, 40 an hour and 3 minutes. It's not that bad. Fast plus, that's as far as it's gonna go. 1200 is the max. 40 degree, no pre-wash. I'm surprised that hand wash does do a 1200 spin though, because it's supposed to be very delicate. And delicates goes on to an 800 spin probably. Yeah, that's a bit weird for hand washing delicates together. So 40 degree, pre-wash isn't available, fast plus isn't available, extra rinse isn't available, so, and then you obviously get your box standard spin and drain on that one. So 1200 for just optional for spin, goes up to 1400, but it's preset 1200 for that's the default one. So you've got your bog standard rinse, 21 minutes, which isn't that bad. 1400 it goes on for, so these aren't available, so I mustn't put it on just yet. Just let me get round this side so you can see the cycle. So yeah, duvet, get out of the way, yeah, duvet, 60 degree, 500. Fast Plus isn't available. Extra rinses, pre-wash isn't. So yeah, that's duvet. Sports. So an hour and 10 minutes for sports. So yeah, there's quite a few options with that. And that. Pre-wash is an option on sports, which is very rare. And Fast Plus isn't. An extra rinse isn't. So yeah, and that's sport, I think. Want a dark colour. Dark colour looks like a colours wash basically. So dark colour is basically your bog standard colours wash, I'd say. I've used this quite many times, so I think it only goes up to 40 degree. It hits 40 degree exactly as well on this wash. So it only goes up to a maximum of 1200. I always use Fast Plus though. Extra rinse is already preset. Ooh, a pre-wash is available on dark colour as well, I think. Yeah. I've not used pre-wash yet because I'm using pods, but I'm on powder now, so I can basically use that now. Stain Expert is quite a long wash, so I think that goes up to 60 degree. Alternative, if you know what I mean, like that. Pre-wash is available on Stain Expert, I think that is. Yeah. And Fast Plus is, but it doesn't go on very fast. And extra rinse isn't available. So shirts, it's an hour and 58 minutes. So yeah, is it shirts? Yeah. So yeah, temperature goes up to 60 degree. I think that's a maximum of 800. Yeah. Pre-wash on shirts you can get. Fast Plus and extra rinse, but you can't have them all at the same time, unfortunately. Which is a bit of a pain. Maybe in the years to come they might update it all. So anti-allergy. 3 hours and 24 minutes. This is the longest cycle on this wash, anti-allergy, because it does numerous rinses as well as longest rinse. So that goes up to 90 degree. 1400 spin. Pre-wash isn't available. Fast Plus isn't available, but extra rinse is always available. So 3 hours and 24 minutes. So that's on and off. So obviously, I can get down here now, so I can show you. Right, you've obviously got a good sized drum. It's 10 kilograms. It's made of reused plastic bottles in the mortar, so quite a quiet rotation. So you've got your seal there, drainage holes in there, and in here it's like your pump and emergency pump, which is I'm just gonna get a cool catcher there to help me. I don't want to break fingernails. So yeah, it's a bit of a door. Some washes can be a bit of a pain to get through, but unfortunately I'm unable to turn that, but so I've used the emergency hose as well there, so you've got those, so if you want to clean it out, you can do. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but when you hold pre-wash for 3 seconds, it'll do a drum clean. And also on Fast Plus, if you hold it for 3 seconds, child lock will come on, which means the control panel will lock, so if you have any kids that can't mess with the panels and that. So yeah, you've obviously got your indicators of where the cycle's up to: door locks, wash, spin, end, cancel, anti-crease plus. Yeah, so I've had this washer since October and I have to say it's one of the best washers I've had. Yeah, it washes really well, quick and simple. And I'm quite impressed with Beko. I'll probably stay with Beko appliances now. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, my channel's just been monetized, so I've got membership. So if you want to join this channel, there's a link in the description down below, I think, for like perks and emojis and super chats and that. And there's a join button, I think, on my channel page. So go and join the community. Let's all come together, make this YouTube channel even better than ever, because I've got lots planned to this channel. So yeah, hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.